Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Capri Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 21st till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. If you want to start your self-love journey but don't know from where to start, you can definitely take the 30-day self-love challenge course. Super easy to understand, definitely help you to raise your vibrations permanently if done correctly, and help you manifest your dream life and make you become the best version of help you to become the best version of yourself. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Cappies. Three of Swords. Okay, someone here is heartbroken. What's happening? Very heartbroken, very much in pain. Okay, what's going on? Let's clarify the Three of Swords here, honey. We have the Five of Wands, the High Priestess, the Hierophant. Someone is not able to let go of some kind of issue or conflict or chaos that happened between you and them at some point of time. They're still holding on to that. And this is something related to commitment or marriage or long term partnership between you and a specific person or energy. Someone is heartbroken over the fact that even if there is love, even if there's everything right in the situation, this situation is not going beyond a certain chaos or conflict. And they're holding on to that pain very deeply. Okay, that's a matter of commitment, marriage, or long term partnership, or wanting something deep here. And when they're not getting it, they're heartbroken and in chaos. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Two of Cups. You are feeling like the beautiful connection with someone. You are feeling a soulmate kind of dynamic between you and a particular person or energy. Let me clarify the Two of Cups here. Just give me a second. We have the Ace of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Wow. You're feeling very good about the idea of having somebody by your side with whom you're going to share a very beautiful connection with, but you're disappointed in the sense that you're not getting it. And you feel like walking away from the idea of getting disappointed all the time regarding your love and relationship area and enjoying whatever you have and feel good about it. But at the end of the day, all you're feeling is upset about something or someone and feeling like moving ahead in your life, letting go of something or someone. You're trying your best to let go of something or someone and trying to like create a very beautiful and harmonious connection and manifest a beautiful relationship, but you are disappointed. This is a contradictory kind of energy from your side where you are fully open towards a particular person or energy and you feel so good about it. At the same time, you're disappointed and you're trying to move on and walk away. Okay. So let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? My father just uh anyway, leave it. My father's up came in and he got scared himself and ran away as if I was doing something woo woo. Anyways, what this person wants is the Three of Pentacles. There's a sense of wanting to collaborate with you in a genuine way so that you guys can have equal give and take of energy from both the sides. Let's clarify this. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. We have the Six of Swords, the Four of Wands, the Ten of Swords. What? This is somebody who is obsessed with the idea of getting committed to you, getting married to you, or having a stable long term partnership kind of a deal. Then they want nothing less than that. If they're not getting what they want, they are saying goodbye. I don't want to be here anymore. Enough is enough. This is done. This is gone. I don't want it anymore. Okay. So somebody here wants to collaborate with you in the sense if you are ready to collaborate with them the way you want to, the way they want you to be. Otherwise, they want to let it go and never look back. Very Cutthroat energy of I want it, it's my way or highway, otherwise I don't want it, goodbye. Okay. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Page of Cups. You want to handle it with love. You want to handle it with as much as love and as much as care you can. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Swords. You just want to, surrender to the divine. For whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually. You don't want to stress the hell out of yourself all the time and think negative about it, about the situation all the time, and getting stressed out beyond words. You want a very beautiful, happy go lucky, and a happily ever after kind of deal for sure. But you don't want to stress yourself all the time about when it is going to happen, when I'm going to meet this person, when everything is going to be fine. You just want to enjoy life, and you just want to like go with the flow and just be open to the idea of having that kind of energy in your life whenever it is meant to be. Very good. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 27th of April, honey. Ten of Wands. It's like something weighing you down to the level of you dropping it or trying to drop it. Okay. Okay. Maybe not the person, maybe the situation. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands here. We have the Fool card, the Knight of Pentacles, the Empress. Yes, you are in this energy of having a breakthrough where you're understanding the power of coming back to yourself and taking things slow. You're definitely going to be in this energy of, okay, let's take it one day at a time. Let's take the risk of moving forward towards myself, having my personal growth and expansion and happiness. And whatever is meant to be will come to me. I don't have to chase, I will attract. Right now, Capricorn, you guys are in this energy of I will not chase, I will attract. And whatever is meant for me will come to me eventually, even if it is going to take a lot of time. I am happy to wait. But I am not going to stress the hell out of myself thinking about the worst case scenarios and hurting myself only and then blaming the whole universe for that. Very good. Kudos. Very, very good. For you, the guidance here is the King of Wands. You're doing it anyways. Just a gentle reminder. Do it with caution. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're really passionate about, whatever it is, like painting, dancing, just giving you an example, or your work or your job or career area or your looks or whatever it is that's making you feel excited about something in your life, about life in your life, about life in your life. Just do it with caution. Don't do it recklessly. Don't do something shitty that you are going to regret later on in your life. That's the main point here. But still enjoy your life to the fullest, but just a little bit of caution. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.